Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. And we have our blue lightning for you. This is a 50 centimeter wide pattern, and it is blue, black, and transparent. The actual lightning bolts, those are the transparent part. And with that being said, this would definitely be best on a white or even a silver metallic base. I think the silver metallic would probably look pretty slick and give it a pretty three-dimensional look. Just adds a lot of depth. I am curious to dip this one. It's always a surprise to dip patterns with a lot of black in it because you just never know its capabilities. Black is the hardest ink color to work with, but pretty confident we've got a good one. But we're about to find out. We are using Hydrographics Activator in a 1 minute soak time. It is sitting at 90 degrees, right about a little over 90 degrees. I'm sure this is going to take quite a bit of activator. Yeah, that print's pretty dang nice. And that is blue lightning on a white base. It would definitely look pretty slick on silver metallic now that I've seen it dipped. And all of our DTP colors are available in aerosol, 8 ounce, 16 ounce, 32 ounce, and a gallon, 128 ounces. So, great pattern, print's nice. That should be, I believe, in the abstract section. If not, check miscellaneous. You guys can always, if you could having a hard time finding something, you can use the search bar, which I believe is on the top left of our website. And also within each section, so whether it's miscellaneous, goals, camo, there's a filter option on the top left area, and you can filter by different categories that way as well. So just a little bit easier way to find the things you're looking for. Anyway, I think that's it. We'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.